guys, so I had this alarm clock for a pretty long time, so I decided maybe I should do a smashing video with it, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right, first up, power. We need power for it. Come on, there we go. No. Guys probably can't see because it's a little bit sunny. How about we set the alarm so it says 12:07 right there. Alarm. Set the alarm. Sorry if you guys can't see it, but alarm. Wait guys, I'm just gonna have to set this for a little bit, so set the alarm for 12:08. I got my hammer. Come on. What? Oh, we have the alarm off. Sorry, I'm gonna have to set it again. We have the alarm. Oh. Anyways, sorry about that, guys. Anyways, we have the alarm set for 12:09. It's gonna go off in a minute now. Getting my hammer ready. Oh man. It still works though. But this face came off. Alright, there we go. What if we can set the alarm again? I can't do it anyways. Still good. Pretty durable. Oh my god. Got this. Wow. They have digital things. Still working. Display a little bit. There we go, now it turned off. Let me just unplug it. Doesn't really have that much, I mean, it's kind of small. Doesn't really have that much cool stuff in it. Recording that time. Dang it. Not again. Sorry guys, this camera's kind of dirty now. Anyways, what's here? Not that much cool stuff. It's stuck. My hammer's stuck. Oh, there we go. My hammer got stuck again. Sorry, let me just get this out. Okay, there it is. Oh, not again. Sorry, it keeps falling. I'm smashing a pretty dirty place. Well, anyways, let's continue the damage. Oh, come on! My goodness. Anyways, that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.